All right, guys, well, welcome back to the Vera projects, and today we're going to go ahead and finish that stool that I told you that we're going to go ahead and paint. And we're going to go ahead and stain the top pieces, and we're going to make the bottom white. So I'm going to show you how to spray it, and also I'm going to go ahead and show you how to stain the top pieces, okay? All right, so just as a reminder, these are the top pieces that are going to go I'm going to go ahead and stain. And here is the bottom section, which I'm going to go ahead and spray white. Okay, so I'm going to set up the camera here in order for you guys to see the full 360 on the way I spray it. And then I'll set up the camera again in order for you guys to go ahead and see how to stain the wood itself. For the paint, I'm just going to use basic spray paint, paint and primer to make it all white. And I added an attachment so it's easier so it doesn't get all over my hands. Alright guys, welcome back. So this is the gel stain that I'm going to use. It's called Hickory. Gel stain is really good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some gloves real quick just to make sure it doesn't get all over my hands. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to stain this. It's going to be very quick. I typically brush it on super thick and then I wipe it out. Like I get these gloves, these disposable gloves all the time, so it's easier. Just dispose of them. You use them once a few times and that's it. Okay, there we go. And here you go. Very easy to do. That's basically how you stain it. Now you're just going to let it dry. Okay, so I want to show you what it looks like when you place the two boards that were stained. I'm going to give you a whole 360. You can always put it back there so it looks nice and finished as well. But this is pretty much what it looks like when it's finished. It has that barnyard feel. And what I did is I glued the boards underneath and I nailed it in so it's nice and sturdy. I hope that you like the design of the stool, the farmhouse style, and go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.